What's up everybody? Today we're gonna be unboxing the PS5 Pro. Finally we got our hands on this beast right here. Brand new. I know it's like 60% power than the first one, but I just want to get like the latest things ever. Like, you know, I just like getting my hands on the latest stuff. But this is the box for everybody that like didn't see, or you know, whatever. But let's get straight to it. Like, this is gonna be a simple unboxing. Let's get straight to it. And we're gonna use our like 1080s type of knife to cut through. Let's go. We got this. Ooh, it's pretty much like basically the same. Oh, we have a box inside the box. All right, so we're gonna have to use our muscles, you know, that we use in the gym to open this. Damn, that's heavy. All right, we got it. So the box is basically like this. It's empty as hell. We're gonna throw that away. This reminds me of like the old version type of PS4s and PS3 type of boxing. So we're gonna open it here. It's gonna be so simple. We got our cables here. We got I think the USB for the controller, charger, and this is the HDMI. This is supposed to be like the upgraded version, but I think it looks the same as the like first one. And we got the cable. This is a European, but it looks American. No, I don't know. But anyway, we have a brand new controller. Oh, look at that. The smell, bro. The smell of a brand new controller is just always like, yeah, this feels very nice. Oh my god. A brand new controller. No dust, no nothing. Those things on my first one wore out. And this is the latest controller right here. And yeah, like this is clean. Like, it feels like I just bought the PS5 for the first time again back in 2022. I don't know what is this. What is this? Oh yeah, for like you know, like horizontal. If you want vertical, but I advise against vertical. I never put my PS5 on vertical because it always like had issues. And here comes the beast itself. Woo! Damn. Throw this box out of the way. Alright, that was loud. Anyway. What feels nicer is unboxing a new PS5 Pro. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy, bro. Look at that bad boy. Trying to be really careful right here. Trying to be careful as fuck. Alright. There we go. Take these out. We don't read these stuff anymore. And this is it. The PS5 Pro. This is the controller and everything. Look at that, bro. Just like this is better than everything in the world. This feeling is just like way better than having a girlfriend. I'm joking, never mind, don't worry. But anyway, the PS5 Pro right here on our hands. Sleek, nice, cool design, haircut, a little bit of fade. But this thing is heavier. Don't look at it like this. It's like, it looks smaller than the first one, but this shit is heavy as fuck. But we got the USBs here, right here. These much faster. HDMI, LAN cable, and the usual power one. And in the front right here we have two Type-Cs this time. These two Type-Cs are very, very nice and helpful. We have a power button right here, like a normal power button, and yeah, nothing else but the sleek look, sexy look. And let's get this thing started, and I'll get back to you guys right now. Okay guys, we got everything set up as you can see right here. I always have my PS5 on this left side, and I have my other monitor and my PC on the right side, the keyboard and everything. So yeah, for the first startup, let's go. We have to press the button because it doesn't recognize the controller. Damn, look at that. Well, and I really I wonder why they put the light down here instead of up. It was good up there, but I think there has to be something. But it's still good right here. Beep, that first sound, and as you can see, it popped up on the screen. All right, here we go. I know I'm gonna have to update it and everything because I could not transfer my other one because I sold it. So yeah, look at that. If you didn't see the startup, this is how it looks like. Just the console coming to life. That's how it feels. So good. And we got the like connect screen thing, and I have the cable right here already connected. So let's go connect that. And we press the PS button. Let's go. Wow. Playing with the new controller just seems very nice. Optimized experience. Yes. Agree. And we do this. Update it. Alright guys, I'm gonna update it, and once I log in with my own account and download the game, and we'll get back to you guys. And here we are, we're back. We just we got the thing running and up and running and downloaded some games, and they're still downloading at the moment. But yeah, this is it. This is the unboxing video and everything. We couldn't test any games because I had to sell my other one, and I mean, we could do Astro Playroom, but it's an unboxing video. But I can't wait for my OLED monitor to come, which is gonna come tomorrow. We're gonna do unboxing on that one as well, and we're gonna do some gameplay as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a sub and turn on that notification bell so you can see more unboxing videos and also other videos. Peace out.